Uh, I feel the Anna movement for the poorest of the poor part of country, and the people can aware, they can make a better future, they can fight for betterment of the future, common future. And Anna also says before, now in the future we are doing for natural resource management and natural resource conservation and the right of the natural resource. We are equally on water and forest and land. But now this movement is going to the party politics. Yes, we everyone involved in the politics, but we, and I can say I, is not involved in party politics. So I feel this is not comfortable for me. I can make a part of the Anna movement or Anna. In last I not the part of this whole movement or core team. I not involved very much with this core team, but I seen the decision is not taken in a democratic way. So yes, uh, uh, with me, no specific region, but yes, I feel the dictatorship of one person not bad, not good for the health of the movement. The and you can say yes. Because I'm not very much involved in this movement. So this is really difficult answer for me. This answer can give who is very much involved and every minute involved in this movement. I feel and I just involve on the level of the natural resource management and the right of the nature equally. So Anna also says when I meet to Anna in last during this movement, yes, he also says yes, we are now in coming days our focus on the movement of natural resource management and distribution of the natural resource to the people. They can get the equal right on that. So but now I seen this movement is not doing on that line. This movement going in a different line. So I not feel comfortable, and I told I can't make a part of this movement. Uh, uh, y- I am out of the country now. Uh, 3 day, 2 day before I am in Nairobi, so I not know the real incident of the Supreme Court. But Mr. P.V. Rajgopal told me about this whole process yesterday night, and I listened this whole thing. So I give my intention to the P.V. Rajgopal. I told P.V. Rajgopal I am not comfortable with this whole process. So you tell, if I not feel I am the part of the core team, but if I am in the part of the core team, so in future I am not a part of the core team. So the PV Rajgopal writes something to Anna, or I think. Um, Again, difficult question. Yes, I just say this movement is a really very energetic movement for my country, and this movement is really very good movement for young people of India. But yes, now what is going on? This is not good. I am a hopeful man. Yes, my belief, possibly if they are going in a different way, they can correct and they can make a real, they feel the weakness or wrong path, again they can correct me, possibly. But yes, today, yes, I am not comfortable. Thank you. Thank you.